Hey guys, it's Ro. Today I'm hanging out with my friend Justine.
Hello.
You guys know Justine. She is amazing. We made a ton of videos together. But if you are new to the channel, I'm going to be putting her link down below. So go subscribe, show her some love. And if you'd like to support the channel, don't forget to click subscribe and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. And give this video a thumbs up if you like seeing us play games, collab, and make these videos because I have a blast with you.
I have so much fun.
Amazing.
It's the best.
I have roped her into playing a really classic, cute internet game. This game they play on Ellen. I've seen so many other YouTubers play, and it is called Never Have I Ever.
But what if you have?
That's why, okay, so pick these up. I made these.
Oh, I have!
For each of these.
I have never.
We each have these. There's I have and I have never. And so we're gonna pick one of the things out of the jar and then we'll say if we have or have never.
I'm shaking. I'm nervous because I don't know what's in this jar.
I don't know what's in this jar either. My sister Mo came up with these, so Mo, I hope you are going easy on us because this is the first time that we're playing it.
Yeah.
I have not ever played this game. I have never. I have never.
I think I might have, actually.
Really?
Yeah, I think I did it with Jenna and Matt before, and...
So you're an expert.
Yeah, I don't think we did it right.
Hopefully I'm gonna do this right. All right, let's do rock, paper, scissors. Who picks the first one?
One,
Rock,
two,
paper,
three,
scissors,
shoot.
shoot.
Oh.
Tie game.
Okay.
One more time.
One,
Rock,
two,
paper,
scissors,
scissors,
shoot. I cut!
You win. Okay, so you're gonna pick the first one.
Never have I ever cried watching a movie.
Oh. I have.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Mostly every movie lately.
Oh, do you remember Marley and Me? Oh!
Gosh. All the Disney movies, I cried Coco. I cried all of them. All the feel-good movies.
In John Wick when they killed the dog? Oh, God.
I can't watch stuff like that. I mean, I have to be honest. I even cry on emotional commercials with animals in them.
What's
Are
it
you
gonna
ready
be? Yes, I'm ready.
for another? Never have I ever tried to cut my own hair.
Oh, yeah. Like, I used to cut my hair all the time. I still cut my own hair. If there's like a little...
You do?
Well, I mean, sometimes there's like a little straggle. I'm like, you're gone.
Your hair's gorgeous.
It's a little ratchet, but it's okay with it. I'll take it.
I have help now. I don't cut my own hair anymore, but I tried to cut myself bangs when I was 7 years old. And this is pre-internet. This is like you couldn't Google something. You couldn't Google like YouTube tutorial videos. Took my bangs with my dad's razor, like electric razor.
Yeah.
That's
a bad idea.
So short and bad that I had to wear a headband for school pictures until the bangs grew off.
Oh, man.
I basically shaved the front of my head.
I got a bloodshot eye from sneezing too much.
No.
So, and then I had like to go to an audition and like all this stuff. So I cut my own bangs and I mean, it was just like straight like down like this. It was like...
Ooh, it was really like edgy looking. Like
So
it like covered your eye
edgy.
like kind of like this. Was it like...
Yeah.
Oh, hey.
Yeah, people thought I was trying to be cool. I'm like, no, look at this. I look like a monster.
Underneath you were like, I have a big eye.
It'd be perfect for Halloween. Definitely have cut my own hair.
My lady.
The claw.
Choose the next one.
Never have I ever had a crush on a teacher.
This could be in high school or college. Like, it could be anywhere.
could be.
Like, have you ever had a
I'm
crush
getting-
on a teacher?
I'm flustered.
I thought one teacher was cute, but I definitely didn't have a crush on them. I just thought they were cute, like handsome.
What if they see this? And then they already give it up?
Then they're gonna know years later. See, mine is like, I thought one was cute, but I didn't really have a crush. It wasn't like I was drawing hearts in my binder and like,
I'm sweating!
Imagining. All right, next question. Moving on. Never have I ever thought about what type of dog I would be. I was thinking about this morning. Like, what personality type dog? If I was a dog, what would I be?
My dog, he is me. Like everything about him, like I have made him a small animal person of myself.
Like a version of you.
Yeah.
Cookie's very similar. We love food. We are very food motivated and we don't know when to stop. Like
That's
she
true.
will just keep going and going until she hurt herself. Me. French Bulldog.
Yeah.
Let us know in the comments down below. What kind of dog would you be?
Never have I ever gone skydiving. Wait, never have I ever.
Never have I
have
ever.
never. I have never.
You've never.
No, have you?
I have.
Whoa!
Yes.
When did you do that?
I went with my sister.
Really?
Yeah, this was like years ago. It was exhilarating. But the pilots, they messed with me. I was in the air and the pilots, you know, they slowed down the plane. I think they cut the engine just for a second. They were just messing with it. It was like, oh no, we ran out of fuel. And I was like,
That's not funny. That's not funny.
I was terrified. And then they turned it back and they were just kidding. We like to do that with people their first time up. And I was like,
That's not just kidding. That's not a joke. That's not a joke.
I'm like, you know what? You're lucky I didn't just pee myself.
Or jump out the plane.
Because we're strapped together, you know, as tandem. You know, you're strapped to your instructor. So I was like, well, you're lucky I didn't pee on you.
Wow. I have not. Jenna did recently. She asked me to go with her and I said,
Oh, she did?
I was like, heck no.
Did she like it? Yes or no?
Her arm went numb for 3 days. So I don't know if she really had the best experience. If you see me jumping out of a plane, you better see hashtag ad will be flowing from my
Hashtag
parachute.
this is sponsored because this is terrifying. Ooh, never have I ever eaten a pizza by myself.
Whole pizza? Yeah.
Yeah.
And accessories?
The real
to
question
the pizza, like
is-
wings myself? Yes.
The real question is how many times have we done
Like
this?
once a month.
Yeah.
Duh.
It's a lot. It happens and it's fine.
This is fun.
I love this
I
game.
am enjoying this.
I've never played it and I love everything about it.
Never have I ever taken something from my sibling reading. Never have I ever taken something from my sibling without them knowing. So you said Molly, is her trying to get information out of you?
She made these.
Yeah, I know. She's trying to get information.
Molly. She's like, never have I ever borrowed my sister's car without her knowing. Like Molly's
What?
writing all these, like trying to get the scoop. So I would say I do borrow a lot of stuff from Molly and she borrows a lot of stuff from me, but we always tell each other.
Yeah.
Or I guess there's a few times we forgot to, but we figure it out later. And I mean, I guess I have taken something without telling her, but then I tell her later.
I definitely
Kind of
have.
wishy-washy.
But like when I was younger, like I used to steal all of my sister's quarters. Like she had a piggy bank.
Oh, wow. You went into the piggy bank.
Oh, I did. I left her everything else except I took every time she put a quarter in there, I would go in, I would like use a little screwdriver and like take out the bottom.
It had a
Sword.
screwdriver?
Oh,
It
yeah.
wasn't even like the peel out one?
No, this is middle sister Brienne. I'm sorry, Brie. I think
Wow.
I've paid you back at this point in
She's
time.
got like
but
a power drill one, like zzz, zzz.
oh yeah, I was drilling that freaky. It was a bear. It wasn't a pig. It was a bear. I would take out all the coins and I'd be like quarter.
What did you do with the coins? Was these the gumball machine,
I
the
was shopping.
M&Ms,
I go to Walmart.
Mike and Ike's,
I'll buy something like that. Like,
Ocean's 8 over here?
I had to save my money for my RAM. 'Cause
Yeah,
that's what
that's
what I
true.
spent most of my money on when I was younger.
To the best of my knowledge, I have.
It's a trick question.
Yeah.
Because she made it.
She made this. Molly. Okay, let's see what else we got here. Never have I ever failed a class, like in school. Like, have you ever gotten an F, like you failed the course?
I definitely failed tests. I don't think was a D failing or was that?
Yeah, it says not fail. It's not a test. It's just the whole class in general.
Yeah, I
Like,
don't
have
think
you
I've done
ever
that.
failed a class?
No,
Me
I definitely got
I
close.
have never. I was very studious, and school was really hard for me. I have a hard time reading. It's difficult. I have a learning disability, but I worked my buns off, so I had pretty good grades.
I did just enough to like survive. I was like, this is good enough. I'm not giving you my best.
But
because-
you're super smart, so you're like,
It depends on the subject. Like math?
Like-
No.
really?
No, I hate math. Oh gosh, I'm so
So you're so good with like techie stuff and
Yeah,
math,
but-
and I thought it would be like all connected.
No, I always wanted to be a computer programmer, and then there's the math, and I was like, oh, my mind doesn't work this way. So here we are.
What is it? What is it? What is it? I love this game. I'm like so ready.
Never have I ever laughed so hard I peed my pants. I definitely have. I almost peed my pants earlier today when we were filming a video. Every time it's like something happens and it just get so silly and I lose control of my body.
Justine, just out of nowhere, she falls on the ground. She's in the corner over here, and I can't even see her. And it took me a minute to process what had happened, and then I was like, oh my gosh.
Yeah, when I laugh,
So
I
good.
cry, I pee, everything. So yes, yes, I'm holding
I
up
have
the
when I
hat.
was young, and I still do today. If you laugh hard enough, it happens. Everybody pees when they laugh too hard.
pees.
Yeah. Never have I ever held a stranger's hand on accident.
No, I haven't held a hand, but I definitely will sometimes think that like my sister is next to me, like when we're shopping and I'm talking to somebody,
And you
I
start
go,
talking.
I was like, oh, you're not my friend.
Oops.
You're not my friend.
I don't think I've held a hand
No.
unless I was like baby, like 2 years old, and I thought I was holding my mom's hand and it wasn't. But I did touch a stranger's face.
What? But like, huh?
It was a weird.
Like on purpose? Or
It's like a whole thing, but like I had a hoodie over my head and we were playing monsters with my friends, and they thought it was so funny, and you're the monster, and then you feel around and you can't see, and then it was a total stranger. Nobody told me.
Yeah.
We're all in a group. Anyone could have said something, and I was touching a stranger's face. And going, got you, you're it. Pulled off the hoodie. It was a total stranger.
Where were you doing this at? Like, I'm trying to picture where was the stranger. Like, is it the mall?
This was, it was a school trip.
I see. Okay.
Yeah, so I don't play that game anymore.
No.
No.
I forgot it was
can't.
my turn.
I can't. It didn't happen.
Never have I ever fallen in public.
Oh.
Yeah, of course. I've done. So I don't know if you guys know. I feel like I'm almost a professional faller. Like I can fall and just like.
But you do so many activities too. Skateboarding. What are those things with the two different shoes?
Segway shoes, but you know, I just feel like I just got good at it after a while. Like in high school, like I used to fake fall, and like I actually got detention for this because I incited a riot in the cafeteria.
Because I fake
Well,
falling?
I get a little dramatic surprise. I had
You
like.
were just like, whoops.
Well, I told everybody I was gonna do it, and I had like my tray of food, and then I like tripped, oops, and like food went everywhere, and everyone was like, oh, and started throwing food at me, and then like I went to the principal's office, and he's like, Justine, I know that you had an accident, you fell, but we know you did it on purpose. I was like,
They gave you detention?
yeah.
Missed opportunity. If I was the principal, you know what I would have done? I would have been like,
Right?
acting skills.
Thank
Here's our
you.
drama club. We're
We didn't
forcing
have
you
that.
to join. You are acting. Back then.
Is it your
And
turn?
it was great.
Is it my turn?
And it was so good. People even believed it.
They did.
They believed it. Okay. If I can open this, we can have another. I really can't open this. What is going on? Never have I ever Googled myself.
That's basically my job. I gotta see what's out there.
I did this after I played that top questions Googled about you. Let's Google ourselves right now and see what is the most Googled thing about us. Rosanna Pansino, the first one is age.
Mine too.
And then house,
We're
then
young.
book, then baking line.
Justine Eric married, husband, sister.
But you are not married or have a husband.
That's what they want to know.
But they want to know if you do.
Yeah, that's why they search.
Oh.
I
Well, just
love-
for you guys to know, I'm 96. There you have it.
I'm 98.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh, wise over here.
Never have I ever stayed up for 24 hours. I mean, I slept.
Are you trying to think when's the last time you slept?
I
Or
actually
are you
slept.
thinking of the last time you stayed
Oh,
up
no,
for
the last
24
time I
hours? You're like, the last time I slept, I think it was 2 months ago.
I think it was in
Probably.
July.
2016. I slept for one evening. One time I did a 24-hour live stream, and then I have pulled a few all-nighters in college.
Yeah.
That's what I can remember.
I mean, during iPhone week, I really didn't sleep for like a week at all.
So you could hold both of these for iPhone week.
Oh,
for
gosh.
iPhone week, you just hold these. This is Justine during iPhone week.
Yeah, when a new iPhone comes out, this is
Pulling
me.
24 hours.
So we both have stayed up 24 hours.
Oh yeah, definitely. What about 48?
I mean, probably.
That wasn't a question. Probably in college.
Yeah.
And that's when you order an entire pizza to yourself because you're like so hungry.
I usually have like a side of Doritos, like
That's smart.
actually on my hip. I'm like, it's
Bring
so
snacks.
messy though. on a white controller.
Oh yeah, because of the cheese.
Yeah, it's not good.
Because the cheese on your finger. Never have I ever given someone the wrong phone number. I'm assuming that this is on purpose. To be totally honest, girl, are you ready?
Yes.
Here's some tea. I have done it on purpose in college. Okay, so in college, I was quite the heartbreaker. You know, I dated a lot. I didn't want to settle down. I didn't want to get serious. I would go on dates, and when I was out with my girlfriends, like when we were like at a bar, at a club, like getting to know people, if there was a guy who came on way too aggressive or was just really creepy, not the nice guys. I never did this to the nice guys because I love the sweet, nerdy nice guys. But in some of those environments, that is not who is out there. That is not who. So if a guy was just would not quit, like he was so persistent, it was making me feel crazy, I would give him the wrong number. And I would give him, I'd be like, oh yeah, here's my phone number, just call me in a couple hours or whatever. But you know what number I gave him?
What?
I would give them the rejection hotline. Have you heard of this?
Goodness. I actually have, yes.
You have?
Yeah, from like back in the day. Like I remember that.
Yes. Let's see if this
Hello, this is not the person you were trying to call. You've reached the rejection hotline. Unfortunately, the person who gave you this rejection hotline number did not want you to have their real number. We know this sucks, but don't be too devastated. So why were you given a rejection hotline number? Maybe you're just not this person's type. No, this could mean boring, dumb, annoying, arrogant, or just a general weirdo. Maybe you suffer from bad breath, body odor, or a nasty combination of the two. Maybe you just give off that creepy, overbearing psycho stalker vibe, and the idea of going out with you just seems as appealing as playing leapfrog with unicorns. Regardless of the reason, please take the hint, accept the fact that you were rejected, and then get over it. And please do your best to forget about the person who gave you this number, because trust us, they've already forgotten about you. HumorHotline.com.
Well, we have one more question left. I don't remember whose turn it is.
Me neither. Okay, you go.
Never have
I ever gotten a tattoo?
Should we go get one?
Yes.
Oh my god.
And I was wondering, I always have wondered because I've never seen one on you.
Yeah.
But I never asked you if you had a secret one that I didn't know about.
No.
You don't? Are you promised?
I would tell you.
Pinky promise.
A pinky promise.
That you do not have a secret
I
tattoo
do not have a
that I don't know about.
No!
Okay,
If I did,
I don't have one.
I'm like, oh, look at that, I have a secret tattoo.
You're like, yeah, it's right here.
I've been thinking about it, but like,
Me too.
I love white tattoos. Like they look so cool, but I've seen some that have gone very, very wrong. But I really want like a little anchor or something.
Ooh.
Or like a little infinity sign, or a skull, or a knife.
Ooh.
Yes.
Just all of them. You just get a sleeve of all these things.
Yeah, like a cute little knife bleeding. It'd be
Just
great.
a cute little skull. My favorite knives. I don't know.
What would you get?
I've just been thinking of a bunch of them. Someday I have to get a matching sister tattoo. Maybe one with food. Also, I'm really into like special dates or like names, like things that are really meaningful to me. Sorry, that took a minute to process. It's like I really like special dates or names that are like really meaningful.
That's cool.
Even when I'm 97, you know, next year, that it will be something that I'll still love.
Yeah, no, I love that. I love meaningful tattoos. I actually really love tattoo art. Like,
Me
it's
too.
so incredible. It's just amazing.
I love some of those sleeves, like when I see full like body sleeves that are all connected. It's art.
It really is.
If you have a really like great talented tattoo artist, it's literally human art. It's gorgeous.
If you guys have any tattoos, send them to us. We would like to see
Yes. So
them. If they're in inappropriate places,
please don't.
just inappropriate. We don't want to see it, but if it's appropriate, we would love to see
I've
them.
seen it all, you know.
have you?
I'm not into it. Yeah, let us know if you would want to see a tattoo on us. What would it be? And if you were gonna get a tattoo, what would you get? Would you get something cute? Would you get something meaningful? Would you get something scary? Would you get something funny?
Ooh.
There's a lot of funny tattoos. Like if you Google funny joke like tattoos. That does it for the game. Never have I ever. A big thank you to my friend Justine. Thank you so much for coming over and playing this with me. This was my first time playing it, and I love this game.
This was so much fun. I had a really great time.
I'm glad you loved it. If you guys loved it, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, click subscribe, and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. And I'll be putting Justine's links down below, so go check her channel out, subscribe, show her some love. She's the best.
Hey, I hear that you have some other videos that people should check out.
Yeah, I do.
Where are those at?
If you want to check them out, you can click up here.
Or up here.
Yeah. All right, thanks for watching. Bye, you guys.
Bye.